Teeth and tongue. The mouth consists of the teeth and tongue. They play an essential role in helping us to digest what we eat. Our teeth help us in biting and chewing food properly. They give proper shape to our face and help us to speak clearly. Our tongue helps us to speak, taste and move food in the mouth. Let's study about them in detail. Teeth. Temporary and permanent teeth. In human beings, 2 sets of teeth grow during their lifetime, milk teeth and permanent teeth. A newly born baby does not have any teeth. When the baby is 6 to 7 months old, first tooth comes out. By the age of 3, a baby has a set of 20 teeth. This first set of teeth is called milk teeth or temporary teeth. When a child is about 6 years old, it starts losing these milk teeth. They are replaced by a new set of teeth called permanent teeth. By the time a child is 12 to 13 years old, all permanent teeth grow. Generally, there are 28 permanent teeth. 4 more teeth called wisdom teeth grow between the age of 20 and 30. Therefore, adults have a set of 32 teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. When we lose any tooth of this set, we do not get a new one in its place. Structure of a tooth. Open your mouth and look in a mirror. You can see your teeth. Teeth are strong, hard and bony structures fixed firmly in the upper and lower jaws. The teeth grow out of our soft pink and fleshy gums. Gums hold the teeth. Only a portion of the teeth can be seen. The portion of the tooth seen above the gum is called the crown. Crown is the visible part of a tooth. The portion of the tooth inside the gum which we cannot see is called the root. A tooth has an outside white covering called enamel. It is the hardest material covering the crown. The next layer inside the enamel that forms the main part of the tooth is called dentine. The central part of tooth is called pulp. Pulp is the soft substance that fills the empty space within the tooth. Kinds of teeth. When we look at our teeth in the mirror, we see that they have different sizes and shapes. The different shapes help us to eat different kinds of food. There are 4 kinds of teeth. Incisors. These are the 4 front teeth in each jaw. They have a sharp, straight and cutting edge. There are 8 incisors in our mouth. They are also called biting teeth. Canines. These are the 2 pointed teeth, one on each side of the incisors. We have 4 canines. They help us to tear flesh. They are also called tearing teeth. Premolars. These are the 4 flat teeth, 2 on each side of the canines. They crack, chew and mash the food we eat. There are 8 premolars in our mouth. They are also called chewing teeth. Molars. There are 6 molars in each jaw. They are next to premolars. They are broader than molars with points and grooves. They help us in chewing and grinding the food. They are also called grinding teeth. Tooth decay. When we eat, small bits of food get stuck between our teeth. Sometimes these small bits of food are not removed when we do not brush our teeth carefully. Thus, a thin sticky layer of food particles is formed in between and on the surface of teeth. This sticky layer of germs is called plaque. This plaque reacts with the sugar present in the food to produce acid. The acid affects the tooth enamel and starts destroying it. This is called tooth decay. It causes holes or cavities in the enamel. As a result, the nerves and the blood vessels in the pulp get exposed. When any cold or hot things come in contact with these exposed nerves, we feel pain or toothache. Thus, tooth decay causes the following: foul smell from the mouth. holes or cavities in the teeth, stomach disorders, bleeding gums, toothache, loss of teeth. Care of teeth. Teeth are very important part of our body. To avoid tooth decay, we must take care of our teeth. It will be helpful to follow the points given below. We must brush our teeth at least twice a day, once in the morning and once at night before going to bed. We should brush our teeth by following the correct method as shown. Foodstuffs such as cakes, pastries, chocolates and sweets should not be eaten too often. We should consume milk, green leafy vegetables and fruits like apples, carrots and radish which are rich in calcium. Calcium is good for health. It makes our teeth and gums strong. We should visit a dentist once in every 6 months. When teeth are not cleaned properly, they get covered with a yellow substance called tartar. This is removed by a dentist. We should floss our teeth once a day. It reaches the areas where our toothbrush cannot reach. Our tongue. Can you differentiate between a glass of plain water and a glass of salt water by just looking at them or by smelling them? No, this is not possible. The only way to tell them apart is by tasting the two solutions. The tongue is therefore an important sense organ for taste. Our tongue helps us to taste things. The surface of the tongue has many taste buds. They tell us about different tastes. 4 kinds of taste buds, sweet, sour, salty and bitter, are found in different areas of the tongue. The tongue also helps us to speak clearly. Working of the tongue. Food enters the mouth and touches the taste buds. These taste buds send messages to the brain through nerves. The brain reads the messages and helps us to taste. Taking care of the tongue. We can take care of the tongue in the following ways. The tongue gets covered with bacteria that grows in the mouth. Use a tongue cleaner and clean the tongue gently with it after brushing the teeth. An unclean tongue causes bad breath and plaque. Rinse the mouth after every meal. It helps to remove the extra food that sticks on the tongue. Do not eat spicy food or drink very hot liquids. It is not good for the tongue.